Tesla stock jumped over 13% today after it was announced that the company is going to be included in the S&P 500 index. But what does this mean for investors? Actually, a lot of people thought that Tesla was going to be added to the S&P 500 index back in September because Tesla was able to meet the technical criteria required for being a part of the S&P 500. And I covered the different criterias in my previous video, which I will leave the link in the description for those of you that want to check it out. But the big question is, now that Tesla is in one of the most popular indexes around, what does this mean for the stock? The largest effect of the inclusion is that large passive funds like the Vanguard ETF we've been investing in our $100 to $10,000 series has to buy shares of Tesla, simply because these funds are designed to track the S&P 500. So once Tesla is added in late December to the index, these funds will have to buy shares of Tesla and sell shares of the other 400 something companies that is in the index. And since Tesla will be added onto the index, at least one company will be removed from the index at the same time. But we don't know which company will be removed as of today. Another effect could be that investors that already own shares of Tesla may end up cashing out, since they know that these large passive funds will need to buy shares, which increases demand. And there will be a lot of people trying to get in on the stock for the next month or less and try to sell when these large funds start adding Tesla to their portfolios. And the last effect that the addition of Tesla into the S&P 500 index is going to have on the stock is that the stock is going to be a lot less volatile, since these large funds won't be trading the stock on a daily basis. And Tesla has been one of the most volatile stocks, with shares having been as low as $65 to as high as over $500 over just the past year. And those are the largest effects I see as a result of this news on Tesla stock. But if you guys can think of other effects, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe with the bell notification icon turned on. And I will see you guys in the next one.